Yeah, bean. Yeah, what kind of bean? Lava bean?
Yep. It's not mayonnaise.
Is that sour cream?
Yeah. You said no mayonnaise.
Oh.
She thought it was mayonnaise.
No, I didn't. It tastes like cottage cheese.
Open.
Put it in there.
Wait, Christian.
I'm scared.
Just eat it.
I ate a piece in there.
Just eat it.
It's good. Eat it.
Just eat it.
I'm scared.
Just eat it. Eat the whole thing.
Is it chicken?
Yeah.
What's on it?
I can't tell you that.
Is it mayonnaise?
No.
What's on it?
You gotta wait until we get to the
Can you take it?
Put it on the plate. Alright, open your mouth. Open it.
That's cauliflower, broccoli.
No, it's not. It's broccoli. Here, this time you have to eat the whole thing.
What is that?
Eat it.
It's a noodle. What did you dip all over these? They all taste the same. Oh no.
A carrot.
That's a carrot? Why is it so squishy?
Because it's like.
It's Alfredo on it.
Oh.
Okay, you got a bite.
Damn, Bonnie.
Open.
That fruit on your table.
What's it called?
I don't know. Orange, not orange. It starts with L.
No.
No, don't.
I don't know, but let's use it.
Starts with a G. There's
I
a
don't know.
grapefruit.
Grapefruit. You ready? That's it, yeah.
It's gonna be easy.
It's me or a cracker.
Yep.
Yeah. You get to do Christian since you haven't done the no one yet.
Okay.
Was
Okay.
there Alfredo all over all
You
of that?
and her can go on and pick stuff for Christian.
Give me those crackers.